Feed yourself? Good job. More? More? Make a mess. Good job, Kyle. Good job, more. Oh, it's so good, huh? So good. Yum, yum. Oh my goodness, you're making a mess. More? Yum. What are you having? Yogurt? Yeah, so good. More? Okay. Mmm, so good. What is that? What is that? Yum yum? Yum. Say, can you say yogurt? No, don't make a mess. No, put it in baby. Feed the baby. Feed the baby. Don't. You're gonna drop it on the floor. Feed the baby. Yum yum. That's a boy. Good boy. Mmm, so good. You got more in your face than you do in your mouth. More yogurt. Mmm, so good. Say, I love my yogurt. Why you wash your rubbing nose? No, you can't have that. No, you can't have the camera. Say hi. Wait, can you wave bye-bye to the baby? Bye-bye, baby. Say, finish your yogurt, little boy. Uh-oh. We dropped it. What happened? What happened? Messy. Oh, yuck. Messy. Who made a mess? Who made a mess? Are you going to play with the finger paints? Yogurt is finger paints? Oh, my goodness. What a mess you made, Kyle. Who made that mess? Who did? Finger paints with yogurt. Oh, boy. Well done? Oh, goodness. All gone. All gone. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.